welcome back, line dancers. All right, so here we go. We are going to be learning Cowboy Hustle. It's a nice classic that we've been doing for years and years, but we still love to do it. So let's get started. You know how I go. I'm going to teach you the breakdown as, again, you are starting your line dance journey with these beginner dances. Then we actually put them all together. Then we add some counts so we can help there with the dancing. And then we put music and have some fun. So are we ready? Let's do it. All right, so let's start with the first 8 counts. That's going to be putting the body weight on your left as we start the dance with the right foot. Your right foot is going to step forward, little stomp in the corner here in the angle, not to the front, but a little bit in the angle, as you're going to fan your toes side to side. Side, 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 side. All right, side to side there. Now from there, you're going to move into 2 heel taps to the front. So that means your right foot is going to tap the heel twice, and then you're going to tap the toes back twice as well. So tap, tap. And there it is. You got your first 8 count. Let's do them all together. 5, 6, 7. We stomp. Fan the toes side to side 4 times. 2 heels forward, 2 toes back. Lovely. Let's do it with a count now. 5, 6, 7. We stomp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got it. Let's move to the next section. Your next section is going to be, we still have that body weight on the left. A lot of work on that left leg. We're going to do the same thing with the right foot. Instead of 2 taps, we're going to do single taps forward back. So heel to the front, toe to the back, heel to the front, toe to the back. So 4 counts of that. As you are in the back, now you're going to continue with a step kick. Just like a Charleston, you're going to step forward with your right, kick, step back with the left, and touch. That's your next 8 count. Let's put them all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel single. Forward, back, step kick, step touch back. All right, let's do that section with a count. 5, 6, 7, and single heel, toe. Step forward and the kick, step back and a toe. Boom. All right, we're going to do section 1 and 2. Ready? 5, 6, 7, stomp. Fan the toes side to side. 2 heel forward taps, 2 toe taps, single forward back heels, toe, heel, toe. Step forward kick, step back and toe. Woo, yeah. Let's do all that with a count. 5, 6, 7, and stomp. Goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Taps 5, 6, 7, and single taps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do another set of step kicks or Charleston. So we're going to go again, step kick forward, step toe back. Continuing with a grapevine to the right. So you're going to open right, left goes behind, open left, toss toe. Body weight is on the right. Now we're going to do the grapevine to the left as we do a quarter turn to the left. A reminder, you're going to step first, back with the right. As you open and step with the left, you're going to turn to the left shoulder, and then your right foot step right beside the left. Last step, you're going to slide into an angle, step touch into the corner, step forward, left comes in, you go back to where you started, and together. And we are done. All right, let's do the last 2 sections. So we are going to start with that step kick Charleston, right? 5, 6, 7, and go. Step kick, step back with the toe. Grapevine, out behind, out and touch. Grapevine, out behind, turn, touch forward, touch together, touch back, touch together. Let's do that with the count. 5, 6, 7, and Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay, that's the whole dance. Let's do the whole thing. I'm going to call the names. 5, 6, 7, and stomp. Fan the toes side to side 4 times. 2 heel taps, 2 toe taps, single heel toe, 1, 2, 3. Now, step forward kick, step back and toe. Again, step forward kick, step back with a toe. Grapevine open, behind and touch. Grapevine to the left, turn to the left, touch. Step to the front together, step to the back together. Yeah. With a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there it is. That is your whole cowboy hustle. Repeat the video. You can do it. And when you're ready, put music and have some fun. Until the next one.